Understanding the Windowpane Test in Baking. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase used in baking, the Windowpane Test. This term might sound a bit mysterious if you're not familiar with baking jargon, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. The Windowpane test is a simple technique used by bakers to check if dough has been kneaded enough. When dough reaches the right level of gluten development, it becomes elastic and stretchy. To perform this test, bakers take a small piece of dough and stretch it gently with their fingers. If the dough can stretch thin enough to let light pass through without tearing, much like a window pane, it indicates that the dough is well kneaded and ready for the next step in the baking process. Understanding the Windowpane test is crucial for baking bread, pizza, and other yeast-leavened products. This test ensures that the gluten in the dough is developed enough to trap gases produced by yeast, which helps the dough rise and gives the baked product a desirable texture. It's a handy skill for bakers, both amateur and professional, as it's a visual and tactile way to assess dough readiness without relying on timers or guesswork. To perform the Windowpane test: 1. Take a small piece of dough. 2. Flatten it slightly. 3. Use your fingers to gently stretch the dough outwards. 4. Stretch until the dough becomes thin and translucent, like a window pane. 5. If the dough tears before it reaches this stage, it needs more kneading. Over-kneading. If the dough becomes too tight or starts to tear easily, it might be over-kneaded. Under-kneaded dough. If the dough cannot stretch thin enough or tears quickly, it's under-kneaded. Practice makes perfect. Don't be discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. Dough consistency can vary based on many factors, so practice is key. And that's all about the Windowpane test. I hope this video makes your next baking adventure a bit easier and a lot more fun. Remember, baking is as much an art as it is a science, so keep experimenting and learning. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more English language learning content. Happy baking, and see you in the next video.